Hey YouTube and welcome back to Diva Styles. I got kind of a weird video, y'all. I feel like I just been over here crafting up today. I will probably post this video tomorrow though. Um, if you have teenagers or kids that do the dishes, then I'm sure you probably understand where I'm coming from. I just went and bought this yesterday. My daughter washed the dishes one time and that's where we are. That's just one time. I probably have to go to the store and buy dish detergents probably 3 times a week. Even when I try to buy extra, she still uses a lot. I'm not sure if she does that on purpose, so she doesn't have to do the dishes sometimes. But I don't know why she do that. Anywho, so what I did was I took and made some dish soap strips that are dissolvable. Now this one just got an image on it because I used to do soap and I just used what I had and it just happened to have an image on it. But I cut the strips pretty much about this big and they are infused with dish soap so that when she does dishes, all she got to do is use a strip and that's it. And hopefully this will cut down. Y'all, wherever I can save, I try to save. Wherever I can cut corners, I will cut them things. Okay? Yeah, so, but this is also great for like traveling. If you do a lot of traveling on the road a lot, you can also infuse it with like hand soap. And just, for you to wash your hands because this is dissolvable. It is gone. Once it hit water, it's gone. Um, I've heard people also do this with shampoo for like camping and stuff. I wouldn't go that far, but just giving you some ideas. But y'all, I'm about to test this out to see if this works, so stay tuned. Okay, so first off, of course, what you're going to need is either wax paper, parchment paper, something for you to do this project on so that it does not get stuck to the, whatever you're on. And of course, if you have watched my soap video, then you know that I use Print Stitch dissolvable paper. This is pretty much what you need to make these dissolvable strips. So I'm going to go ahead, y'all, I still got some soap up in here. I'm just going to go ahead and use this. Yeah. So I got my dish soap here, and all you're gonna do is just pour, a little bit. You don't need a lot. Just pour a little bit at a time in your little bowl. As you can see, now let me tell y'all, a sponge brush would be fantastic for this. I do not have mine. I believe it's somewhere in the garage, and I'm not about to go look. And yeah, you are just going to start painting this whole thing up with that dish soap. Just dab it on there all over. Who's that? I don't know who that is. But so you're just gonna go ahead and do that throughout the whole paper, and then I will be back. Alright, so I'm all done with this side. What you're gonna want to do, I got my fan on so it's blowing. What you're gonna want to do is just go ahead and flip it completely over and do the same thing that you just did for that side, for this side too. And like you barely need this stuff. Like it literally does not take a lot. So if this works, you guys, I'm gonna be ecstatic. I'm gonna be so happy. It's gonna save, it's gonna save a little money, y'all. I'm very frugal and I try to save anywhere that I can. If you got teenagers that do dishes, then you know that they waste dish soap. I don't know why they feel they need all them goddamn bubbles. Anywho, and then after you finish this, all you gotta do is pretty much let it dry and then cut the strips. So I'm gonna pretty much keep doing this and then I'm gonna let it dry and I will be back on here to see you guys. Alright, so I have a little strip right here that I did earlier. This is all dry. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and cut this up into strips. You guys, I don't know how big to make these. We are definitely going to test this out. I guess I'm just going to do it as if I was doing soap. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, I just did like some strips that look like this. You guys, this is also great for what, like hand soap, you know, for traveling if you're on the road. But I am about to test this to see how this does. So yeah, you guys come with me. Okay, you guys, so we are live in my kitchen, and there's no water in there, no soap, no nothing. Just wanted to show you to let you know, hey, it's empty, and we doing this from scratch, okay? So yeah, let's put the water in, and I got 2 strips just in case. I don't know if one is gonna be enough or what. So let me try to bring the laptop close, but not too close. All right. Well, here's 1 strip, 2 strips. Well, it is making bubbles. As you can see, it does work. Look at that. She don't got to use so much soap now. So, you guys, it does work. Look at that. I'm so excited. Okay, so she gonna be like, oh my god, because now one thing of laundry detergent, one thing of dish soap is going to last like forever, forever. Okay, so yeah, if you guys have any questions about that, please feel free to ask. But as always, I will see you guys so soon. Bye.